In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal room in Cisco Webex. A personal room is your always-on meeting space with a consistent link, perfect for quick check-ins or scheduled meetings without creating a new meeting each time. By the end, you'll know how to start your room, fine-tune your settings, invite people, share your screen, and record the session. First, open the Webex app on your device. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your organization or personal Webex credentials and complete any required verification. Once you're in, you'll land on the app's home area. Next, move to the Meetings section. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a Meetings tab or a calendar icon. This is where you access your scheduling tools and your personal room controls. Look for the Start a Webex Meeting button. You'll see a small arrow right next to it. Click that arrow to reveal more options tied to your meeting controls. From the drop-down, choose Start a Personal Room Meeting. This tells Webex you want to launch your persistent room rather than a one-off scheduled session. Before you enter, take a moment in the pre-join window to adjust your audio and video settings. Select the correct microphone and speakers, test your levels, and pick your preferred camera. If you'd like, apply a background or blur to reduce distractions. You can also mute your mic and disable your camera before joining if that's more comfortable. When everything looks good, click Start Meeting. Once you're in your personal room, you can bring others in. Use Invite and Remind to send an email invitation directly from Webex, or click Copy Meeting Information to paste the room link and details into a chat or calendar event. Because your personal room link stays the same, consider saving it for quick access later. When you're ready to present, click the Share button. Choose to share your entire screen for broad demos, a specific application window to keep other content private, or a digital whiteboard for live sketching and brainstorming. If you're sharing video or animations, enable any optimization options available for smoother playback. If you want a record of the session, select the Record button. Let participants know you're recording. Webex will capture the meeting, and when it's ready, you can find it under the Recordings tab in your User Hub. You'll be able to play it back, copy a link, or download it depending on your plan. Don't forget to stop the recording when you're done. That's it. Open Webex, go to Meetings, start your personal room, check your audio and video, invite participants, share what you need, and record when appropriate. You're ready to host confidently in your Webex personal room.